Let's make Tuo Zaafi in 5 minutes. Just kidding. These are the ingredients. Now let's get cooking. Blend onions, ginger, garlic, and star anise. Pour half of the blend into your washed meat and set the rest aside for the stew. Before starting the stew, blend the pepper and tomatoes. After some time, add the onion blend you set aside earlier and let it cook. Then add the tomato blend. Add locust beans or Dawadawa into hot water, then add dried fish and salt. Stir and let it cook for a minute or two before adding the blended Ayoyo. Remember that this should be cooked slowly on low heat. This is the time you add the cooked meat to the stew and let it cook. The longer it stays on the fire, the thicker the stew will become. For the Tuo Zaafi, mix 1 cup of Tuo Zaafi flour into 2 cups of water and pour it into hot water on the fire while stirring until it becomes porridge. Scoop 3/4 of the porridge into a bowl and set it aside. Add 1 cup of dried cassava flour into the porridge left in the pot. This is a good method for beginners because it makes stirring easier, especially for someone who isn't good at stirring, like me. Gradually add back the porridge you set aside earlier while stirring until you get your desired consistency. I like my Tuo Zaafi very soft, so I am using all of it. Please note that Tuo Zaafi becomes harder once it cools, so you should make it a little softer than your preferred consistency. So if your porridge is finished and you still want it softer, you can add hot water instead, and that's it. Delicious Tuo Zaafi with Ayoyo soup and stew. Try it out and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.
Stir it up, mix it right, slice it right, day or night. Sizzle up, flip it high. Emma's Kitchen's oh so fine.